Good morning. This is my interactive game for my course. It is through the website gimkit.com. It's an awesome resource. It's free, although I do pay for the paid version just because it gives more game options that my kids like. But this is what is that's what the assignment is assigning. The assignment objective is to earn $1,000 or to answer 30 questions correctly. Students are going to be prompted when you hit start assignment. They're going to be loaded into the game and they're going to be prompted to answer questions. They must go to the question answering station and they must, if depending on what I, object they are playing on, for instance, I'm playing on my laptop, there's different keys that you need to hit. For the laptop keys, which most students I'm assuming will be playing on, they will be using their keyboard keys and the enter button. So once they get to the question answering station, they will hit the enter button. Wherever it says tap, you are going to be hitting the entering button, and it'll prompt you with a question. My class is learning about place values, so we are going to be answering questions about place value. How many ones are in the number 756? I'm going to click the correct answer, and it will award me with bait. Every time that you are awarded bait, you are allowed to use that bait to go fishing. If you hit continue, it will give you more questions, so you can hit that 30 question mark faster, or you can play the game and hit close. Once you have bait, which I already started playing, which is why my process is a little bit faster. Once you hit or get bait, the top left corner shows you how much bait you have. You can then go to the pond, I guess you would call it, hit enter again, ask for a fish. Well, I'm not a fisherman, so I don't know. Then you're going to catch the gray fish or whatever fish that you caught. Certain fish are worth different types of or different amounts. So, for instance, the gray fish is worth $1. You can then hit fish again, or for instance, I caught a green fish and it's $2. If you'd like to sell your fish, you could hit close, and using the arrow keys on your keyboard, you can then move to the sell station, hit enter and hold for you to sell your fish. Now, in order to win the assignment or finish the assignment, you have to sell $1,000 worth of fish or answer 30 questions. The amount of money that you raise is on the top right corner. And if you're ever confused on how much you have completed, you are allowed to hit the icon on the top right corner for assignment info, and it will show you the process of how much is completed for your assignment. There really is no winning or losing in this assignment. There's pretty much just having fun. The assignment really focuses on the latent learning theory because it is having students use their prior knowledge to be able to move forward into the game. So, in order for them to play this game, they would have to complete all of the modules in the course in order to understand the questions and understand how to move forward in the game. You can also do power ups, and there's other types of places where the kids could go or students could go into the game. They can use their arrow keys to move around, as well as if you're using an iPhone or smartphone, you can use your thumb or finger to move on the screen. If you're using an iPad as well, the same thing. You could use your finger. And then there's also just a lot of different places for the kids to use. They'll be prompted with questions, prompted with ideas on how to win the game. And that is place value for second grade.